that fun? Yeah, you liked it. You want to ride again? Stop. Today we're going to have the perfect day at Peppa Pig, so that means everybody's going to get to pick one thing that they're going to do. Vivian, what are you going to do?
I really want to do the tricycles. I remember doing them when I was little.
Okay, Piercy, what are you doing?
I want to do the tricycles too.
Okay, and Mommy?
I want to go to the theater with the bean bags because it's cool in there.
I want to ride Daddy Pig roller coaster, but I've got to convince the children to do it. So let's see how it all goes. I think that the tricycles are going to be our first stop.
I'm pretty sure Pierce has outgrown the little tricycles now and he's moved on to the big ones, so it makes me a little sad. You got it? There you go! Yay!
Honestly, our plan is probably that we're going to be able to do everything here today because this park is of small enough size that it's manageable in one day. And this afternoon, we plan to let the kids play in the Muddy Puddles Splash Pad. Pierce is heading off to the smaller tricycles.
Okay, so he did try the big ones and they were still a little bit too big for him. So he's gonna go back to the little ones.
Pierce decided to give the big tricycles another try. And I think he's doing pretty good. He's figuring it out. Or not. Maybe not. Now we're all heading off to Daddy Pig Coaster. Vivian is the one who's been asking about doing it. So I think this is progress in our theme park life. I will say, however, that Pierce is still a little bit hesitant. So let's see how it turns out with him. On the way, we caught the end of the Peppa Pig show. And also then we started to notice that everybody else was heading to Daddy Pig roller coaster too. So we decided to deviate for just a moment while the line kind of cools down a little bit so that we're not just standing in line boringly in the hot sun. So the kids are enjoying the fun fair right now.
I just got it!
Oh, you did get it. Okay. Pierce really loved throwing those hacky sacks. I think he just liked the idea of throwing something and he wasn't going to get in trouble for it.
George.
Yay!
Yeah, see, it's okay. You like it? Yeah.
You see everything?
I saw your car. I see a cow.
Oh.
You see a cow?
Our car. Do you see our car?
I know. See, it's so gentle.
What?
It feels good up here. The wind is nice.
All right, they enjoyed that, so we're gonna hop in line for the roller coaster now. The line's gone down just a little bit. First, we have to pass through Peppa's house.
We miraculously convinced each member of our family to ride Daddy Pig roller coaster, so I'm really excited about this.
Goodbye, Daddy Pig.
Woohoo! Is that fun? Is that fun? Yay, you liked it. You want to ride again?
Stop.
I'm a little
Lift on
dizzy.
the
Are you?
lap bar and exit.
Okay, Vivian, what'd you think?
I think it was a teensy bit fun with the drop, but at the other part it was too fast.
Okay. Next up, we're heading over to the boats.
Oh, it's going faster than I thought.
Yeah.
I'm a pirate.
Whoa, this is so much fun.
Yeah.
Are you a pirate?
Yeah.
Okay. We were on our way to the dinosaur adventure, but Pierce decided to stop at Sandbox. I think it's time for me to get something to drink. It's hot out here. So I'm gonna head over to Mr. Fox's shop and get something to drink. My Diet Coke was $5.87. Back to the Sandbox. I think that the only person's goal that hasn't been satisfied yet is Elena's. She wants to go to the cinema, and it's really hot outside right now, so I think we'll welcome the air conditioning. But first, Pierce wants to ride the dinosaur, so we're heading over to do that. Woohoo! It took our picture. Did you see that? Is the dinosaur nice?
Yeah.
Is he silly?
Yeah.
He's a silly dinosaur. Oh, look, that dinosaur's growling at us. Oh, dinosaur! Ah! Oh, I think the dinosaur should be afraid of Pierce.
I want to ride it again.
Okay, off we go. Are you excited? Look at that look of determination.
Oh, you gonna ride again?
That's our third time.
Okay.
All right, bye-bye. Vivian's riding on her own, and oh, we're riding on our own. Okay, third time's a charm, right?
Hello, Vivian. Yeah. Hey, Piercy.
All right, number 4. Okay, I'll hold on to that. Yes, that. After 4 times, he's finally done. So I think now he wants to go to the splash pad. It would be just a matter of convincing Vivian that it's time to go to the splash pad. Hey, babe, you want to go to the splash pad?
Yes.
Okay. So it turns out that Elena left the kids' clothes back in the van for the splash pad. So she's gonna go get those real quick. And the kids are gonna ride the tricycles while we wait.
Oh, fun. As usual, Vivian's living her best life, having a great time, and Pierce is not interested. Yay, you did it, Bubba! Was it fun? Yay!
The splash pad was a little bit short-lived. The kids played in it a little while and then started asking if we could go and do some other rides. But we don't want to have to change their clothes into dry clothes, change back into wet clothes, and so on. So we tried to delay that as long as possible. But now it looks like it's about to rain. So we're having to already be in the middle of changing them. And I would like to call it quits, but we'll see if we can negotiate that with the kids. My thought is that if it starts raining, and especially if there's thunder and lightning, they're not going to be running that balloon tower, and they're not going to be running that roller coaster. That's for sure. Okay.
Shut down. Can I please go to the theater? Mom did request that.
Yeah. Vivian has a point. She says that Mom requested to go to the theater, and so if it storms, that maybe we could go in there. So I'm going to ask Mommy her opinion. Mommy, what do you think we should do right now?
I would like to go to the theater, but Pierce is already on a tricycle, so...
Oh, okay. So,
No.
you want to stay?
Yeah, we could stay. I can take her to the theater and he can ride the tricycle.
All right, I guess that's what we're doing. I'm gonna go to the tricycles and Mommy's gonna go to the cinema.
The red box, George.
Hey, let's go!
Mummy P has the bottles.
The rain cleared up, but I'm good with this because now I have a chair to sit in and I didn't have that in the splash pad. And Pierce is pretty occupied driving around in circles on the tricycles the whole time. So I figure it's a win.
Okay, so me and Vivian sat in the theater for a little while and relaxed, didn't we?
Yeah.
So we did that for about 20 minutes and the rain stopped and then they opened up the roller coaster again. So that's what she wants to do. We're gonna try to ride that. On the plus side, it is a lot cooler since it rained. And by cooler, I mean it's only like 90 degrees instead of 97.
Pierce and I rode the boats again 3 or 4 more times and balloon ride again 3 or 4 more times. And now hanging out on the playground a little bit. But I think Elena's ready to go. And honestly, it's so hot out here, so am I. I can't remember what time this park closes, but it's gotta be soon because it's emptying out. Hey, what's your favorite thing you did today? The roller coaster? Wow, that's exciting. Was it the perfect day at Peppa Pig Park?
Yes!
Okay. Okay, buddy, did you have fun? I guess so. Hey, what's your favorite thing you did today? Nothing? All right. Was it the perfect day at Peppa Pig Park? Was it the perfect day? Okay, good. Okay, did you have fun?
Oh, I had fun, but it's hot, so I'm ready to go.
What was your favorite thing you did today?
We sat in the theater in the cold and watched Peppa Pig for like 20 minutes. Best 20 minutes of my day.
Okay.
Loved it.
Was it the perfect day at Peppa Pig?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, good. I think that basically means everybody's satisfied. Pierce is a man of few words in the moment, I guess. But that means that it was the perfect day for me.